Alright, so check it out. Project Mayhem, we got these wheels a couple months back and we talked to you guys about. So we're gonna take them across to my welding homie right over here, across the way. And what he's gonna do is, he's actually gonna help with some build up here. Like this kind of curb rash is not bad. You can just sand this back smooth, actually even by hand. But when you get problems like this here, you know, you see that? Where it's actually lost material. When that happens, you gotta put more material, or like this, that one's really bad, you see it? You gotta add more material so that we can sand it back smooth. Or even here, check that out. That one was pretty bad, took a bite out of crime right there. So what we're gonna do is bring it over to the homie, and he's going to go on ahead and fill it up for us. See, he's like literally like across the parking lot, like right over there. Let's go.
Yeah, I can hit those.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, I just take out just a little bit, just enough to give me some clean, and then boom.
Okay. Okay.
Give it a little while, I'll get it.
Okay. Cool.
There's little pit holes that were in there. Okay, it's really hard to get those clean, that you can count on it, you know. And it's really easy to add aluminum, so it's better. It's just easier to just like clean it out.
Take it all the way out.
Just take it out, then you don't have to worry about it, because you know we're gonna add that material back, no problem.
Transfer order. You could have gotten it by picking up the phone and calling anyone who does in departments at the Pentagon. You didn't want the transfer order. You wanted to see Jessup's reaction when you asked for the transfer order. You had an instinct, and it was.
Without a witness. You have a witness. A dead witness. In the hands.
I think I got it, but I'll put some more on it.
Yeah, like see on the inside, because the whole thing kind of.
Okay, you want me to like, just go right across the whole top?
Yeah, yeah, please.
That's it. That's the plan.
That's the plan.
What do you think?
Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool, man.
So you can see, you know.
Yeah, see what I'm supposed to be doing.
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
So, you know, like you see, you just knock that down flat and then, you know,
Same
get
thing.
the shape back and get it flat and then get your chamfers on both sides and good to go.
Good to go. Yeah. Okay, so you see on the edge of this rim here, guys, I had my buddy, you guys saw a little earlier in the video, he added some aluminum weld right here to build up the edge. And he just did it a little higher than the actual lip itself because I'm gonna, you know, sand it back down smooth. So what we're gonna use is a flap wheel on the grinder and a block sander. Now the block sander is, you know, or the sanding block I should say, is to make sure that it's nice and even all the way across. Yeah, and we could just bring it back to life. All right, so let's get cracking on this. Now guys, I would show you that I'm filming this, but I don't want to get aluminum dust all over this camera, so I'm gonna cut it off and then show you the final result. Alright, so there you have it. This rim is done. So we're gonna go ahead and get in a little closer here. You can see there is no more curb rash. It might be a little dirt, like little, see this little scratch right there, but I can get that out. But yeah, for the most part, that sucker is gone, man. We brought these rims back. If you guys remember, when they came from the yard, they were jacked. So yeah, man, there it is. So the next step for these rims are the, we're gonna bring them to the powder coater in this sandblaster. They're gonna go ahead and clean them up, get them all nice. All right. That's what I wanted to get done today, as far as like getting the rims together, you know what I'm saying, for Project Mayhem. because I'm gonna have to roll this car around in a minute. But there's another issue. I have no tires. You know what I'm saying? So if anybody's got some 18s that they want to slide to your boy, let me know. Whether it's free or not, I don't care. I'll pay for them if I have to. It's all good. Yeah, so we're doing the dang thing out here, man. It's tight. I like that.